Hey guys, so today we have another really fun video. So tomorrow is a really exciting day. It's April's birthday on Sunday, so friends and I are going to London to see her and visit her, and we're going to a pub. She rented out a pub and that's what we're gonna do. So tomorrow I'm traveling up to London and staying at April's house, which is gonna be fun. I will vlog the whole thing. But I just thought I'd start the video now because I got some exciting package that I'd like to show and kind of do like a little update of what I've been up to whilst I unbox this. So my friend Holly, she got a new watch from her boyfriend, so she gave up her Apple Watch. And I said, I'm in my fitness era, so I will take the Apple Watch. Yeah, so it arrived today. She sent it. So we're going to open it. And she had this little note. And she said, hope this inspires you to get a huge bum. Thanks, Holly. Subscribe to our channel. I'll put it somewhere in the video. But we're going to unbox this. It's not really going to be like a proper unboxing because obviously she's used it. And I've just bought it from her, but it's still in really good condition and we can set it up whilst I talk. Here it is. I don't know if I should show you though. Here it is, and it comes in two things. Here's the strap. It's pink. This is the reason why I bought it. If this wasn't pink, I would have been like, actually I don't need it. And the watch is here. So last vlog was Kaylani. That was a really fun concert, and I went with my friend Em, and that was really good. And sorry it took me so long
to upload a vlog because I have a 9-to-5 job and I just don't have the time to edit. This will probably also come out 2 weeks after the actual event, so unless I manage to edit on the train, this will be a late vlog too.
I'm just juggling a lot of things and I'm trying to make as much content as possible, but it's not always easy. Okay, once I figure this out, let me tell you some other things that are going on, some other fun things that are happening in the next couple of weeks. So tomorrow is going to be April's party slash celebration slash birthday. It's going to be a really exciting time. And then the week after, I'm seeing Sabrina Carpenter. So I'm going up to Manchester to see my friend Lois, and I'm going to stay with her for the weekend, and we're going to go see Sabrina Carpenter on the Saturday, the 14th of March. So oh my goodness, I've just dropped it. This is why I shouldn't have expensive things. Look at my phone, like look how, whatever. Anyway. Yeah, so going to see Sabrina Carpenter on the 14th of March in Manchester. That's going to be really fun. I'm going to show you my outfits. That's going to be a separate vlog though. This is going to be an April Apple Watch vlog. My outfit's going to be so fun. And you might get a sneak peek of it today because I want to do a little haul of everything that I got from Vinted recently because I've gone mental. There are days where I don't even look at Vinted, don't even know it exists. And then there are also days where I just spend my day on Vinted and buy everything that I see. I'm going to do a little haul after I set my watch up. And let me tell you, I've never used an Apple Watch apart from like other people's Apple Watch because I've known people who's had it, and I think the only experience I've had with it is to turn off the alarm on an Apple Watch. So let me set this up and I'll be right back. So we're gonna have to update my phone. Okay, well, whilst my phone is updating, I can't really do much. I will do my haul now and then we'll go back to my Apple Watch shebang. Okay guys, so now I will do my haul whilst my phone updates for my Apple Watch. So everything you see here is everything that I bought from Vinted in the past month, which is insane. There's probably about 10 different things in here or more. Okay, so I've been meaning to get a really, I've been meaning to build up my wardrobe for a while for summer. Not that I don't have enough clothes, I do, I really do, but I just think my style has changed a little bit and I kind of want to be more in the boho kind of Ibiza summer trend. I'm not going to do a try on haul here because I don't want to make this vlog too long, because I know it's a vlog for April's birthday as well. But if you do want to see a try on haul, please go watch on my TikTok, because I will definitely upload it up there.
This is editing Sam, and I want you to count how many times I say cute in the next like 2 minutes of this clip, because it's ridiculous. Like, it irritates me too, but I can't take it out because otherwise it'll get rid of the whole video, because that's apparently all I know what to say. But yeah, I'm sorry for that in advance.
So I'll start off with this dress. I'll stand up here and show you. Start off with this summer dress. It's just a plain white maxi summer dress. You can make it a halter. You can tie it around your neck, or you can just tie it like a tube top. But I only got this for £2.50, not including all of the extra fees from Vinted, but this was a bargain. Next up is this cute white fox skirt. It's so cute. It's just like a long maxi skirt, very summery, and it's still got the tag on, which is perfect. Very cute. You could pair it with anything in the summer, which is adorable. The only thing is it's quite tight around my hips, so I don't actually know if I'm gonna keep this. Next thing I got yesterday actually. Arrived yesterday, and it's this little BDG mini skirt. Yeah, it's just gonna be very cute for summer. And yeah, I can pair with anything because of the colour. It's just light and it's so summery and fresh. Like, so very excited for that. That's definitely a keep. This next dress I was also meant to wear for April's birthday, but it just didn't fit me. I got a size too big. So this dress is from Polly, and it looks like that. It looks like this, which is very cute, to be honest. Now, I might keep it to wear for another party or something, but it's very cute. And then it's got these arms, so it's like a little off-shoulder kind of moment.
I thought Polly ran really small, so I got a size up, so I got a size 8, but it doesn't fit around my waist that well, so it's not as flattering as I want it to be.
The next thing I got was not actually from Vinted, and I just realised that. I got this from Hollister, and I got this little dress, and I just think it'd be so cute. The back, it's got an open bag. I did try it on though, and it makes me look a bit pregnant. I feel like this is a dress that you would wear if you were pregnant. I don't know, it just gives me that vibe. So I'm not really a big fan of it, but I bought it, so, and I don't really want to go back and return it. This is a little sneak peek to my Sabrina Carpenter outfit, but if you follow me on TikTok, you would already have seen it. This is like a baby, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's like a baby yellow corset top, and I love the length of it because it goes all the way down, so it covers your whole stomach and it just cinches you in, and I just think it's the cutest Sabrina Carpenter top. I could wear it to everywhere else because it's such a nice, like, you can dress it up, dress it down. I just think it'd be very cute for summer too. I love the colour. And yeah, this is from Pretty Little Thing, and I know they've had their rebrand, so I don't really know if you guys can still find this if you do want it. But next thing I got is what's going with the corset. So I got this pink sequin mini skirt. I am obsessed, and I don't know if you've seen the Ibiza summer trend on TikTok, but these types of skirts are going kind of viral everywhere, and people are like dying for them. I just think it's very versatile, and it's a perfect piece to be on trend. For Sabrina Carpenter, this is perfect. Last but not the least, because I was getting into the whole birthday thing for April's birthday and was buying dresses for that, I kind of started thinking about what I'm going to do for my birthday. I got this dress from Polly, and it's this really cute pink sequin satin dress. I'm doing so many things in the summer that I don't even think I have the time to throw a birthday party. So if I do decide to throw a birthday party, then this will definitely be worn. But I don't know where else to wear this, to be honest. So it's definitely a keep, but it just needs an event. And yeah, I don't even want to tell you how much I've spent. I don't even know, and I don't want to know. My phone is now updated. We will now connect it to the Apple Watch. Okay, so now after I've had to update my phone, now the Apple Watch has to do an update. I've just been really busy, to be honest. I haven't really had the time to kind of chill out and make content and do all that stuff. And this month especially, I've got so many things coming up, and the next month and the next and the next. I've got about at least 5 concerts lined up and 3 holidays, and I'm doing a big Asia trip in the summer. Woo! I think that's definitely a very exciting thing that's coming up, so watch out for that, and about my 10 million concerts and other holidays. So definitely going to be a lot of videos coming up soon, especially starting from when I upload this. I'll probably have loads of content. See you guys tomorrow for the actual vlog. I'm sorry this is taking too long. Hi guys, I'm in London and I'm in the station. I just got Amy some flowers, so that was really hard to pick, but it's a really cute flowers and she can dry them because I know she loves drying them. But at the station now, on my way to April station, but I'm just waiting for Lois because she's taking a little bit longer, so we're gonna just sit here for a little while. Look at the flowers though, guys. Look how cute that is. We're in Abel's house. Here's Lois.
21 birthday later.
Ooh, she's getting ready. Look at Dash! His little house. Yeah, Lois, how are you feeling?
So excited, can't wait.
Emily
having
is
it out for a while.
cooking for us because we can't cook to save our lives.
Sam is behind the camera.
Here I am.
You excited, Sam?
Yeah, she's very excited. April is still getting ready, so we'll show you her when she is ready. Outfit of the day.
Let's do outfit day for everyone.
This dress is from Vinted, but it's originally Zara. Very last minute. Lois?
Opoly dress. Because the best dresses come from Opoly, in my opinion.
Emily, show us your outfit of the day, which is she's got a little black dress, a long black dress actually, with the jersey. The jersey is just because she's cooking and she doesn't want to smell.
Yeah.
So I'm April and I'm 21. And this is May.
This is May.
May.
That's the birthday girl.
Oh, April. May and April. It's both of us.
She's had a shot of tequila.
Hi Sam's vlog.
This is you, Sam.
We're at April's birthday in London, 21st, you know, celebration of life, good vibes all around, a lot of free food and a lot of free drinks.
7, 8, 9. I don't know. 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, May. 15.
Yeah, she can count. She's just enjoying the food. Oh, is having her signature shots. Tequila? Tequila shots.
And why do you want to release this song? You got
Go show, it's your birthday. We gon' party like this.